Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Philip A. Uy, and today I will demonstrate how to take vital signs. I'm gonna gather the supplies that I'm gonna be using today and share with you their uses and their parts. First is the stethoscope. It is a medical device used to hear sounds made within the body. The parts of the stethoscope is the earpiece, the ear tube, the headset tubing, the chest piece, the diaphragm, the bell, and the stem. Next is the sphygmomanometer. It is a medical device used to monitor the blood pressure. The parts of the sphygmomanometer are the cuff, the tubing, the manometer, the bulb, and the valve. The next is the digital thermometer. It is used to take a person's temperature. The parts of the digital thermometer are the following: the LCD display, the tip, the stem, the power button, and the battery compartment. We also need a watch so we can monitor the heart rate and the respiratory rate effectively. The next items are alcohol and cotton balls to make sure that the items or the instrument that we'll be using are clean. Okay, ma'am. I will be taking your vital signs for today. Before we start, are you feeling comfortable po? So, what's your name, ma'am? And what is your age? I will be taking your vital signs now, ma'am. May we proceed? So, I will be taking your body temperature, heart rate, and respiratory rate. I'm going to put in the So this is the result of your vital signs, ma'am. Your body temperature is 36.1, your pulse rate is 68, your respiratory rate is 18, and your blood pressure is 100/60. So far, your vital signs are normal.
Thank you.